Okay guys, so you're welcome back. So this is the question 2 of today video. This is question 2. So on that we are staying under this topic psychogeometry for this upcoming Waec NECO likely question and answer under this topic psychogeometry. So this is second 2. In case you missed our previous video, so go in the description below. You see the first question being solved for this particular video. You see the link that directs you to the previous video. So okay, let's go. How we can solve this question. And before we go to the solution, please, if you are just joining us for the first time, do want to subscribe, like, also the button in case you are a brand like this, you'll be the first one to be notified. Let's go. How you can solve this particular question. So we have the diagram of this question here. We have the diagram and say that okay, in the diagram, this is a diagram. PTR is the tangent. We have this. Okay, this is P. I have a mistake here. We have this. PTR is the tangent to the center O. The tangent to the center of this what? The point O. That is center O. Yeah. If angle TON, our angle TON is given as 180 degrees, so that is it's 108. So the mistake in the question here, 108 degree. So it's 108 degree. So we want to calculate the size of the angle. We want to calculate the size of the angle PTL. So we want to calculate the size of what? Of this place, the size of this on this place. So how we calculate it? So let's say this side here is equal to what? S. We want to calculate the angle of PTN is equal to what? S. Let's say it's equal to A. From this place to this place, that is the size of the angle they ask us to calculate. So how we solve this question is very simple. So in the previous class I explained some things about the psychogeometry here. So you look at the diagram first, and you notice the center of the circle. I still remember the line here. The line here is radius, because a line that jumps from the center of a circle to any part, a line that jumps from the center of a circle to meet any part on the circumference is called what? A radius. So it means that this space is a radius. Also, this space is what? Is a radius, because this space to this place, a line that jumps from the center of the circle to the circumference is equal to a radius, and this space also gives us what? As a radius. So it means that we have two radius here. And in the previous class I explained that when we have a diagram this particular thing is a triangle. This space radius, and this is the center of the diagram. This place is our chord, and this place have a radius. That's how we have the radius. Okay, and if we have a triangle, this side is equal to this side because they are both radius. So if this place is measured as 5 cm, this place will be also 5 cm. So when we have a triangle whereby two sides of the triangle are equal, okay, so it means that what? As I said, it's what? Triangle. And if you still remember, I said triangle, the base angle here is equal to the angle here. The base angle here, they are always what? Equal. Which means that the angle here is equal to the angle here. If this angle measured as 20 degree, this space will be equal to what? 20 degree, because they are what? Base angle. So let's say that this angle here is equal to what? Is equal to y. Let me use y here. Let's say this place is equal to y. So definitely the angle here is equal to what? Y. I get now. So in this place, to get the value of the angle here, so if you get the value of this angle here, you get the value of this angle here, so definitely you can get the full angle we have called PTN. And if you still remember, there's a theorem in psychogeometry here. You know that the angle between the tangent and the chord and the point of intersect here is equal to 90 degree. That's the theorem. The theorem states that when we have an angle, we have a tangent. This is a tangent line, and this is our chord. The point of intersect here, the angle between this point of intersect here to this place is given as 90 degree. So which means that if we have the angle between this place to this place, our angle is equal to 90 degree. Is as right angle triangle, and it's equal to what? 91 degree. So to get the angle of P, to get the angle of PTN, it will be equal to the value of this space will be equal to 90 plus y. So there you get our value of what? The full angle of PTN. PTN. So you have to get the value of this y before you get the answer for this PTN. So how will we get it now? Let's back to this. Since you said this space is equal to this, you get now. So we call this way as S. So here, okay, let me write it there. Here we have our center as 108, and here we have our, let's say this space N. This is N. Okay. So we have a triangle here. This space N because their base angle they are equal. So this way is y, this is y, they are equal to each other. So to get your angle y here, you should remember the angle, the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degree. So it means that sum of all the angle in this triangle, we have y plus, we have what? 108 equal to what? 180 degree, because sum of the angle in a triangle. So in this space now, 1 plus y, we have 2y plus 108 equal to 180 degree. So you calculate the right time, you have 2y equal to, that's 180 minus, take to the other side, that give you minus 108. Okay, so this one we give 2y is equal to 72. Okay, so try this, we get 72. To get the value of y here, we divide both sides by quotient of y, which is what? 2, divide both sides by 2. So this 2 comes to here, we have equal to y is equal to, that's 72 over what? Over 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 72, we have a 36. So therefore our y is equal to what? 36 degree. So it means that the value of y here is equal to 6 degree, and here we have, because they are equal, we have 36 degree here. Okay, so we have get our y now. So to get the full angle here, PTN here, the full angle here we have a 90 here, because angle between chord and a what? And the angle between the tangent and the chord at the point of intersect is equal to what? 90 degree. So we added to the inner angle here, which is what? 36. So that's why I say 90 plus y, and now y we get at 36, so it will be equal to, that's 90 plus what? 36. And 90 plus 36 will give us 126. So our answer is equal to 126 degree. So therefore you say that our angle PTN is equal to 126 degree. So that is the solution to this particular question. So guys, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or send the button. In case what, should benefit like this, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is question 3. Okay guys, let's go to the next question.